Traveling the world uncovers its diverse beauty and untamed power, revealing what a simple online search cannot. From scorching deserts to mystical caves, venturing to the world's most unique destinations is a thrilling experience, filling your camera with breathtaking memories. Let this video inspire you to never stop exploring and discover the true essence of our planet. Number 10. Phang Nga Bay. Paddle into the heart of Phang Nga Bay and discover one of the best kayaking destinations on the planet. This surreal location, surrounded by towering cliffs and mysterious caves, has captured the imagination of many, from Hollywood filmmakers to adventure seekers. Though it may have gained popularity from appearances in James Bond and Star Wars, Phang Nga Bay's stunning beauty and rich natural landmarks have earned it a place as a national park since 1981. A popular way to experience the bay is by kayak, as they offer the only way to delve into the grottos and marvel at their wonders. Number 9. Svartifos. Step into the world of Svartifos, where a waterfall and fascinating basalt columns converge to create a spectacle not to be missed. Translated as Black Falls, this site showcases a tumbling veil of white against the towering burnt lava that gives the name. A 1-mile trek from the car park with an elevation gain of over 350 feet leads to a breathtaking view of a 66-foot waterfall surrounded by hexagonal columns, forming one of the world's most unique waterfall backdrops. Don't miss out on this unforgettable foreign adventure. Number 8. Plitvice National Park, Croatia. Discover one of Europe's most stunning natural wonders in Plitvice National Park, Croatia. This breathtaking park is comprised of several gorgeous lakes, waterfalls and lush forests, but the most notable feature are its 16 interconnecting lakes, divided into upper and lower clusters, formed by natural travertine dams. The lakes range in color from turquoise to blue, green and gray, and visitors can explore them by walking along the wooden walkways or by boat. Number 7. El Peñón de Huatape, Colombia. Rise to the top of El Peñón de Huatape, a towering rock that soars out over the valley floor, weighing 10 million tons. Worshipped by the Tamis for centuries, this site became a major destination after the first known ascents were completed in 1954. Today, visitors can climb to the top via a series of hair-raising staircases, admiring postcard-worthy views along the way. The staircase follows the only crack in the otherwise perfect rock, and after 649 steps, visitors will be treated to a maze of lakes and distant islands. Number 6. Grand Prismatic Spring, Yellowstone National Park. Immerse yourself in the kaleidoscopic colors of Grand Prismatic Spring, located in Yellowstone National Park. This renowned spring is the third largest hot spring in the world, reaching 110 meters in diameter and 50 meters in depth. While its size and scale are impressive, it's most noted for its captivating colors and vivid hues of red, orange, yellow, green and blue all on show. The dazzling sight is particularly breathtaking when contrasted with the desolate landscapes surrounding the steaming spring. Number 5. Dead Vley. Dead Vley is a surreal and awe-inspiring place that showcases some of the largest sand dunes on Earth and a petrified forest. The dunes, made red from rust, soar over 1,300 feet, while the petrified trees, some over 1,000 years old, stand frozen in time, a haunting reminder of the passage of time. Amidst the red dunes and decaying trees, Dead Vley is a strange and breathtaking place that should not be missed. Number 3. Meteora. Meteora is a unique rock formation located in northern Greece, known for its towering hills made of boulders and the monasteries that cling precariously to the cliffs. The monasteries, some dating back to the 15th century, offer breathtaking views from their perches atop natural rock towers. Visitors can still visit some of these historic sites today, with the most famous being the Holy Trinity Monastery, located 400 meters above the ground. Number 2. Mount Roraima. Mount Roraima, located on the border of Venezuela, Brazil and Ghana, is a mesmerizing sight to behold. Its flat top, surrounded by towering cliffs, rises to over 9,000 feet above sea level and is considered one of the oldest geological formations in the world. The unique environment on top of the mountain with its own microclimate has led to the evolution of a diverse array of plant and animal species, making it a haven for nature lovers. Trekking to the summit of Mount Roraima is a challenging but rewarding experience, offering breathtaking views and a chance to immerse oneself in the raw beauty of the surrounding wilderness. Number 1. Cappadocia. In central Turkey, Cappadocia is a place that looks like it was plucked right from a fairy tale. It has a stunning combination of both natural and man-made beauty, making it an enchanted location. The region is comprised of 5 provinces, all of which are home to breathtaking desert landscapes. Stunning landscapes dotted with towering rock formations, a landscape of undulating hills and deep valleys that capture the light of the early morning. The openness of the landscape pairs nicely with a slowly rising sun, the beams of which create a dancing mass of shadows and light. There is much to see on the ground as well, from charming towns and underground cities to historic caves and ancient churches. Travelers come to Cappadocia to see it from above. Thank you for watching today's video. Like and comment below which destination you will add to your bucket list. Subscribe to The Global Tourist for the latest content and join us in unleashing your wanderlust. We'll see you on the next one.